Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hello guys, I'm Radishan here and welcome to my new video. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block some websites on your Windows 10 PC. That's all. It's very easy to do that. So please subscribe to my channel, press the bell button, cling 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 cling. So let's start.
So guys, let's start the video. It's raining outside and I hate when it's raining. So just open this PC or my computer or anything. Computer. Okay. Then open local disk C. Then Windows. Then System 32. Where is that? System 32. Drivers, then etc. So we have the host file here. Just move it to the desktop. Okay, double click it and open with notepad. Okay, so I'm gonna block some websites. What? Mark what the fuck. Okay, collinsdictionary.com. That's a good website. Now I'm at that website. Just type 127.0.03. The one is already added to. Just for a variety, you can put, even you can again submit it as 1, 2, etc. Paste and save. Then we have to move this host file to the original folder. Okay, now we are done. Little more things. We have to copy the link of that website. Okay, then close the browser. Again, open the browser. Okay guys, you can see that we have successfully blocked the website. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Keep watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. Love you.